Hello, my friend. Welcome back. I'm happy you are here. Tonight, we will talk about something gentle and powerful: gratitude. Gratitude means being thankful. It means noticing the small good things in your life. It means saying, "This moment is enough." Sometimes life feels heavy. Sometimes we see only problems. But gratitude is like a light. It helps us see beauty, even in the dark. Gratitude is not about having a perfect life. Gratitude is not about ignoring pain. Gratitude is about saying, even with pain, there is still something good. It is not always easy, but gratitude is simple. It can be found in the smallest things: the sound of rain, the warmth of tea, the smile of a friend, the comfort of a bed. Gratitude is here, in the present moment. When we feel thankful, our heart relaxes, our mind slows down, worry becomes softer. Gratitude changes how we see life. Instead of saying, "I don't have enough," we say, "I already have something." This small change creates peace inside us. It helps us sleep better. It helps us feel lighter. You don't need big things to feel thankful. You don't need to be rich. You don't need to be perfect. You can start small. Be thankful for your breath. Be thankful for your body. Be thankful for one good memory today. The small things are not small. They are life itself. Let me tell you a story. There was a man who lost his job. He felt sad and hopeless. One day, he walked in the park. He sat under a tree and cried. Then he noticed a small flower growing from the ground. It was bright. It was alive. And for the first time in many days, he smiled. That flower reminded him, even in hard times, there is beauty. He felt thankful for the flower, and slowly his heart became lighter. This is gratitude. It is a small door to hope. Let's try something together. Take a deep breath in and let it out slowly. Now, think of one thing you are thankful for today. It can be very small. Maybe a meal you enjoyed. Maybe the voice of someone you love. Maybe this quiet moment right now. Hold that thought. Let it warm your heart. This is gratitude. Gratitude is very good before sleep, because when you sleep with a thankful heart, your dreams are softer. Your rest is deeper. So tonight, before you close your eyes, say thank you. Thank you for today. Thank you for one thing that made you smile. Thank you for simply being alive. Sometimes we forget to thank ourselves. We are busy. We are tired. But you also deserve gratitude. Say to yourself, "Thank you, my body, for carrying me. Thank you, my heart, for feeling. Thank you, my mind, for learning." Gratitude is not only for the outside world, it is also for you. When life is difficult, gratitude feels hard. You may think, I don't have nothing here. But even in pain, there are small lights. Maybe a kind word from a friend. Maybe a warm meal. Maybe the quiet strength inside you. Gratitude does not erase pain, but it gives you courage to keep going. Close your eyes if you can. Imagine you are standing in a garden. Around you, there are many small lights. Each light is a moment of gratitude. One light is for your breath. One light is for someone you love. One light is for today's rest. The garden shines softly, and you feel safe, warm, and thankful. This is your garden of gratitude. Before we finish, let's say some words together. You can repeat them quietly or just listen. I am thankful for this day. I am thankful for my breath. I am thankful for the love in my life. I am thankful for the small moments of joy. Gratitude fills my heart. My dear friend, thank you for being here. Thank you for giving yourself this time. Remember, gratitude is not about big things. It is about small moments noticed with love. Tonight, as you close your eyes, let gratitude hold you. Let it bring you peace. Let it carry you into gentle dreams. Good night. Sleep well.